Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. So, if you are a student and want to learn the SAP for free, then this video is going to be more helpful for you. So, today I will be going to give you step by step guidance how to get a SAP Learning Hub Student Edition, and second thing is that how to verify your university account and how to access a SAP course and certification completely free. So for this purpose, you need to watch this video till the end and don't miss this opportunity, and you need to do registration now only, because if you are having a student email ID. So with the help of student email ID, you can going to get this certification for free. Means you are going to get two certification. So let's check what we are going to learn in this video. So first thing is that how to register for a SAP student edition, and how to verify university status, and how to activate the SAP Learning Hub, and how to access a free SAP course and certification. And this is our for the tips for beginner, all the basic things what you required for SAP, ABVP, and other courses. Means if you are from the background of finance, then you should learn for the SAP FICO course. So similar way, this is an introduction session, and how to most majorly important that how you are going to get the free certification by using the college email ID. So first, let's check for how you can register for this. So you need to go on the Chrome. Just here, search for the learning.sap.com free courses. Means if you are directly search for the student edition for SAP Learning, then you are going to come on this site. So here you need to first of all do the registration. Here it will ask your email ID and all that things. So for this purpose, you can take the help of ChatGPT or Gemini Pro. And if you are well known about that, then you can do directly completely register on this. As I have already registered for this, and I have completely made this process. So what this you have to do completely this three steps. That first is login and or create your SAP Universal ID. So for this purpose, you need to use your own original email ID. You don't just use your college email ID for creating the universal account. But while you are going to verify your student status, at that time you should use your college email ID and wait for the activation email to unlock your benefits. It will take just up to 72 hours or less than that, or but the maximum time allotted by them, that is 72 hours. You need to wait for that all the 72 hours. Now coming to the point, how you are going to access the free SAP course. The first point is that, as I have told you, that you need to visit the SAP Learning website, create your SAP Universal ID, then fill the student or university details. You need to fill your student details, your name and all that. If you are not going with your student email ID, then you need to upload your student ID card too, and then submit the registration form. So basically, what does the SAP course do? Means what does the SAP professionals do? And even though they are going to earn good packages in big MNCs, like there is the course for SAP ABAP, as I told you, SAP FICO, SAP Basis, uh, although SAP HANA or SAP S4 HANA, there are many modules that you can learn as per your interest in this. So the best part is that SAP is now providing free for the student, and you should take the benefit of this. So you need to verify your email, but basically I am telling that you need to use your student email ID for just for student verification, but you need to use your own email ID, your original email, means your personal email ID, for getting updates from the SAP organization. So these are the course which I have explained you, that means you are going to get free certification. Generally it costs for 15,000 to 20,000 for single certification, but with the help of student email ID you are going to get it for just free. You are going to get two free certifications. So use your college email ID. You can add these skills to your LinkedIn and the resume, and by seeing this certification, the companies or MNC is going to hire you on the basis of that. So please like and share and subscribe. And if you are having any doubt, then please feel free to comment and let me solve that your comment. So basically, look here how it is going to be look. If you create for the SAP personal ID, then you need to access that all the from the SAP Learning. Now I have created this the proof that the I have completed the registration successfully, and also when you are going to be verified, then you are going to get such an email that university verification has completed, and you can access your two courses. And after that, you are going to get the URN number, and with the help of URN number, you are going to be getting that courses, going to get that courses. So in this way, you can going to get login. First, you need to register, then login with your. You need to wait for 72 hours for to get your SAP Universal ID activated. Also, you to get your benefit, and then after getting benefit, you need to log in. Before login, if you are getting some error, then you need to clear all the cookies and the caches from your web browser, and then once again you need to try for this. So clearly mention that you need to clear cookies and caches. So in this way, guys, this is how you can access the SAP Learning Hub Student Edition for free. So this is how you are going to look after the successful registration, that by the name of SAP Learning Hub Student Edition, and you are going to get the validation for the 2 year, 1 year as I think. So 2026 to 27, and the number of items you are going to get just two, means you can complete one as an SAP ABVP, this for one certification, and if you are want to learn any other module, then you can learn and have certification with this process. So here, look here, this is and my profile. I have logged in with this with the college email ID. So in this way, have a nice day. Thank you guys. Bye bye.